This is not financial advice, and there's no but here, but it has historically been a good time to enter the markets when everyone's absolutely wetting the bed. A little bit of market sentiment analysis. It's pretty much rock bottom. In fact, market sentiment has been, over the past couple of days, worse than the kind of peak of everything that unfolded with FTX, which is interesting given where the markets are at. Bitcoin, of course, is now sub or flirting with sub $80,000. And we're going to look at that in relation to closing the CME gap. I think actually for me personally, once that gap has closed, I will be buying or adding to altcoin positions that I already have. I do believe this is a pullback in a broader uptrend. I think the trend is very much still intact. So the Fear and Greed Index today is at 16. We actually got to the same levels yesterday that we did March 2020. So there is a bright side, a silver lining to everything going on today, and that is that meme coins are no longer securities. Hang in there, guys. Brighter days are ahead. It's my opinion that we're going to see that continuation for Bitcoin, but the space more broadly. I've got the CME up is due to the gap that gets closed at 78k. So I really would like this to close. I know I'm kind of wishing downside here, but just so we can get it over of a 3% downside for Bitcoin. Let's get that gap closed. Let's see what happens when the CME gap gets filled. It was always a possibility. Maybe you want to retest the all-time highs. Ultimately, I'm going to be looking to deploy more capital into the markets and add to the positions that I already have for what we think is going to be a good time ahead.